In this video, we are going to discuss about how to connect an RGB LED to Arduino. So let us select an RGB LED from the list of components and place it in the workplace. And also we'll connect the Arduino board. So here in this LED, there are two types of LED. One is the common cathode, where the cathode is connected to the ground pin of the Arduino. If it is one more type is the common anode, where the anode pin is connected to the PWM pin of the Arduino board. Now we will connect the red to 10, then blue to 9, and green to 8. So this RGB LED will have three modes, red, green, and blue. By varying the values, we can make the LED to glow in different colors. So let's code how to do it. We'll open the code. Let us go to the text base. See here it is said that pin mode 13, the default program is displayed. So we have 3 pin. So let's take 8, pin mode 8 as output. Similarly, we'll also do pin mode 9 as output. Then we'll do pin mode 10 as output. So 3 pin we have just initialized. Then we'll have a small variable called int r equal to 0. So these an int g equal to 0 and int b equal to 0. So these three variables will help us to adjust the brightness of the LED. Then we'll write a function inside the loop where we say r is equal to random of 0, 255. So r will take any value, a random value between 0 and 255. Then g is equal to random of 0, 255. Similarly, b equal to random of 0, 255. So now we are adjusting the brightness of the LED by setting a random value. Next is we have to make the LED to glow. So for that we are writing, since we are giving analog values, that is we are giving any value that is between 0 to 255. So we'll write analog write of 8th pin. So initially we have 8th pin. So 8th pin I just give, so which is the pin that we have connected to the red. So this is the 8th, so 10th pin. So let's say 10th pin, I just give R. Similarly, analog write of the 9th pin we have connected to blue. So 9, B. And analog write of 8, G. So remove all these extra, introduce a small delay. So by giving a value between 0 to 255, we'll make this LED to glow in different colors. So we'll check how it is done. So now the coding is done and we'll start the simulation. Resistors are included in order to save the LED so that the LED is not overloaded. Let's click start simulation. And it is observed that the LED glows in different colors. So we could see that the LED glow in different colors.